Stop chasing traffic when you can place your content where millions of people already scroll daily. That's exactly what Auto Commission Engine teaches you to do. Think about it. Why spend months trying to rank on Google or thousands on Facebook ads when you can post where the crowds already gather? This system reveals 3 high traffic platforms that most marketers completely ignore. The competition is practically zero, but the audience is massive. Here's how it works. You pick any affiliate product from WarriorPlus, JVZoo, or ClickBank. Then you use their AI-powered content frameworks to create short, punchy posts that grab attention and drive clicks. No long blog articles, no fancy video, just simple content that converts. You post it on these overlooked platforms, add your affiliate link strategically, and let the existing traffic do the work. I've seen people go from 0 to their first commission in under an hour. The beauty is these posts keep working for months, generating passive income while you sleep. Don't keep fighting for traffic when you can go where it already lives. Get Auto Commission Engine today and start leveraging platforms with built-in audiences.